Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to go into a maternity shoot that I did a few months ago, something like that. But anyway, before we get into this photo shoot, I want y'all to know I have a 4-hour shootout coming up, a lighting workshop where we're learning lighting, we're learning retouching, we're learning how to make our subject pop from the background. We're learning how to light our subject. We're learning how to control the background. We're learning how to retouch images and give images a realistic look, not a plastic look. So sign up for that. Go to my website, tronmosesmedia.com, and sign up for that. Or if you just want a retouching video, want to learn how to retouch because you can't come to the lighting workshop, there's a video on my website for that called Simple Skin Retouching. Now, it's called Simple Skin Retouching, but it's not simple. I called it simple because we're not going for a plastic look. Like I said, we're going for that realistic look. Anyway, I don't want to make this long. Right now, let's get into the video.
Yeah.